Hi everyone. Today I'm making a video on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This phone was sent to me by another repair shop, and on the message I got from it was they have replaced the battery, they have replaced the charging port, and they have replaced the flex, the charging flex. They have replaced the flex from the LCD screen to the motherboard, and nothing have changed. The phone just keep restarting, and the customer have requested that they want all the information on the phone and nothing should be deleted. So I'm gonna show you a step by step on how you can fix this kind of problems. So nothing will be deleted from the phone. And in this solution, the software will never help you. Any software out there in the market gonna help you just to restore the phone, thereby losing everything on the phone. So the method with this method I'm gonna show you today, this will help you to recover all the data on every Samsung model, including Motorola and many other Android devices. And I'm just gonna tear down the phone and you just watch and follow the steps that I'm doing. So this will help you to recover your data without losing them. What causes most of these problems is a software glitch, or it can be a water damage. So with this method, I think if you follow the steps, you're gonna see how we solve this kind of issues. And sometimes it can be a processor overclocking, but actually it can be whatever. So just follow the steps, and we're gonna show you the best solution on how you can fix this. Now that the motherboard is out, and I'm just gonna take out the camera so we don't damage it. So now the camera is out, and this is the motherboard for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. We're just gonna try to see if we can power on just with the motherboard, excluding the cameras, to see if we can have a boot in the front. Power on, and we have the same issue. So the fault was not the camera either. So I'm just gonna walk you through on the best solution of this problem. And this method I'm gonna show you, this method will help you to save all the data on the mobile phone. And then you can go for a proper repair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a flux and put it on the side of the motherboard. I just want to spread it all around gently. You don't want to destroy anything on the motherboard. So now the reason why we put the flux on the side is because we want to make sure we have some lubricant that goes around, because the board have a double layer. So now we're gonna put the heat to 240 degrees, and the airflow should be 12. We're just gonna hit gently on the top layer of the motherboard where we have the processor and the base, the RAM. We're just gonna warm a little bit for about 30 to 35 seconds. Make sure you spread the heat around on the motherboard. Just keep spreading the heat. Yeah. So now we're done. We're gonna let the motherboard to cool down for 20 minutes. I'm gonna fast forward. So now I let it cool for 20 minutes. I'm just gonna assemble the motherboard, and so we see if everything's working as it should. Now on the front. Now we see progress. As you can see, there's no restart on the phone. So now we have the phone turn on. Touch is working. Like I said before, this repair will just enable you to back up everything just on your phone. If you have a Samsung account, just make sure you go in and back up everything. Or if you have a smart switch, you can transfer to another Android mobile phone so you can save everything. So we're just going to put the camera and we assemble the phone again and make sure we send it back to the repair shop. And thank you guys for watching. And I hope this method will help you to solve any issue with your Samsung or Motorola. And see you on another video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like our channel. And drop your comment and your thoughts about the repair. And see you on the next one.